broken stanchion here, and this is our replacement. So basically they're really simple. Everything's held together with bolts. There's a bolt on the bottom, you can see the other one there, and then there's mortise tenon joints and string. So all you really need to know is the barrel knot, which we've got another video on. Also, thanks WhatsApp. Also, some bits of wood have got numbers on them, so as if you do the number again, that would be good. And try not to smudge it like Luke did. That was Luke, that was. Right. So easy peasy. Let's make sure there's no snow in everything. And that should fit in here. Should. I'm just going to trim a little bit off the edge, just to help it to sit in a little bit better. So we've got that fairly central. Just tap it down as low as it'll go. Is that maybe a little? How's that look from where you are, Luke? Right, let's dip it.
It looks pretty central.
Yeah, that'll do it. Okay, check you've got the right size drill bit. That's enough of the hole, mate. Oh, you good? Okay, so the bolt just needs to go in the hole, washer on either side, and that's it.